Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account qualifies for free-to-play progression. This avoids later roadblocks. Next, collect immediate income sources like daily login, first-week events, and quick quests to build a small fund. Once done, equip the best starter gear and unlock the essential crafting or merchant nodes because they multiply gains. These initial steps save time and set your economy. Make sure to avoid spending on vanity items so you can focus resources on obtaining Choco CRK. You now follow the core acquisition route by farming repeatable quests and challenge runs that reliably drop Choco Chalk or exchange tokens. Then, funnel surplus materials into trading hubs or the auction to convert what you don't need into missing pieces. Once you have fragments, focus on mid-tier dungeons and timed events because they give guaranteed CRK fragments and crafting mats. Keep a steady rhythm, alternate farming zones to avoid burnout, and prioritize activities with the best time-to-reward ratio. You finish by combining fragments and materials at the crafting station to actually create Choco Chalk CRK. This is why you conserved crafting nodes earlier. Next, spend leftover tokens on final upgrades or temporary speed boosts to optimize use. If something goes wrong, first reset daily rotations and recheck supply sources. Market prices can swing, so compare auction listings before trading. Finally, if you still miss pieces, swap to a cooperative run with friends because group drops and trades close the final gap quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.